In Lesson 1, we learned am, is, and are. But how do we know which one to use? We look at the subject. Today, we are learning about subject pronouns. These are the small words we use to talk about people and things. Instead of saying my friend is tall, we can say he is tall. Let's learn the 7 main pronouns in English.
First, let's talk about yourself. When you speak about yourself, use I. Example, I am a teacher. Remember, in English, the word I is always a capital letter. When you speak to another person, use you. Example, you are my friend. In English, you is the same for one person or a group of people. It is always you. The third person, singular. Now, let's talk about other people. For a man or a boy, use he. For a woman or a girl, use she. For a thing, an animal, or a place, use it. Examples. He is a doctor. She is kind. It is a big dog. The plural pronouns. What if there is more than one person? If you are included in the group, use we. Example, we are a family. If you are talking about a different group of people or things, use they. Example, they are students. Or the books are on the table. They are heavy. The summary table. Let's review the list. I, me. You, the person I am talking to. He, one male. She, one female. It, one thing. We, me plus other people. They, other people or things. Practice section. Time for a quick quiz. I will give you a noun and you tell me the pronoun. You have 3 seconds. Number 1. Sarah. The answer is she. Number 2. The car. The answer is it. Number 3. Mark and I. The answer is we, because I am part of the group. Number 4. 2 cats. The answer is they.
Great work! Now you know the subjects of English sentences. For your homework, look at a person or an object in your room right now. And when asked to write the correct pronoun in the comments, is it a he, a she, or an it? If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up. In Lesson 3, we will put everything together to learn about articles a, an, and the. See you next time!